you shave your armpits.
So stupid, you know.
Do it, Johnny.
Cannot.
Ah, you freaker.
You gotta hold it.
You
You gotta hold it longer.
gotta move faster.
I know.
Really?
You like-
It's
you
okay
like
if you
beer?
burn your hair,
I didn't
guy.
know.
Look
Drink
over here.
beer. Drink beer first. Ah. There you go.
Oh.
Almost, guy.
I will get it.
Keep practicing. Sucker.
Oh, knees down.
You didn't get any flame that time.
How are you supposed to get the flame?
You just gotta hold it.
You just gotta hold on. The liquid will go on your
Yeah,
top.
the longer you hold it, the easier it is. It's hot.
Well, he's moving pretty slow too, though. His finger.
Try it out.
Send talks
not
to
working.
Yeah, I would even try it.
Hey,
Probably all-
light him with your butt.
There's nothing on it.
Squeeze it between your cheeks.
Watch this.
Between
Oh,
your
you
cheeks.
light him off your arm.
I never did this before,
That's
but
pretty brave. That's pretty brave too.
Oh my
yeah.
god.
All
He
the-
said drunk guy.
all the hair is gone.
Drunk guy. Here, just grab it already.
Just grab it.
Come on, do something. Grab it.
I'll light off the leg.
No, grab it or
Off
spin
the
it.
leg.
Grab it or spin it. Either one.
Off the leg.
Oh my goodness.
All the hair is gone.
Okay.
Just spin it. Just spin it already.
It's gonna light.
No, just no, the other way. Just spin it and slam it.
Yeah. Woo!
What, you know that, Ben?
Yeah.
Then do too, right?
I know.
I don't do my fire like that. You didn't quit that.
And you know, like, get photographer.
Freestyle.
See the ashes?
Freestyler.
When the ashes come off, the fucking wood is everywhere. Watch, eventually it'll fly off. It's gonna take these.
The wood.
Every time it's like that.
With the outside pressure.
When the ashes come off, it's gonna burn.
Oh, you burn that fast, though.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, you can take a while to stop doing that now.
Okay, I'm done.
You're burning the grass.
Hey, come drink some beers.
Okay, time for this.
Chocolate. Beer break.